Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix shuffle play on Spotify. Make sure to watch this video till the very end so you won't make any mistakes. I'll show you how to disable or enable shuffle play, so leave a like and subscribe to my channel. This is definitely the best support for me. There are a lot of ways of how can we enable or disable shuffle play. I'll show you two of them. There are like main ways. And basically the first thing you need to know is that if you are listening for song here in the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to find a like banner with this song. And if you click on it, we can find an option to shuffle all the music like in a queue. So in the left side menu near like play button here, there's like two crossing arrows as you can see. We can easily turn on or turn off our shuffle play. So if this icon like in like green card, it means that our shuffle play was successfully turned on. And if you want to disable it, all you need to do is just simply like turn it into gray. You can just do it by simply clicking on this icon. So this is the first way of how to enable or disable shuffle play. And the other way of how can you try to do it is that you just simply need to open any playlist, for example here, and basically as you can see near play icon in the right side menu right now, we also have icon like shuffle our music, so we can turn it on. And also sometimes there is like smart shuffle enabled, so there's like three options of how can we use shuffle stuff. We can turn it on, turn it off, and basically use smart shuffle. And if you want to disable, you just simply need to turn it into gray position. To turn it on, just simply turn it into green position. Hope this helps. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.